Hi YouTube, I'm going to take a run and test out this Calsci windshield to see how it stands up on street speeds and highway speeds. Let's do it. Bought this windshield a couple of months ago. Did a review on the installation process of it. It's pretty good. Not that complicated. Had it installed probably in about a half hour or so. Right now I can tell you the difference it makes. When you're driving along the streets, you can feel the difference of the wind pushing against your body when you have the Am Ryker without the windshield. You get a lot of chest wind, a lot of centrifugal force pushing you back. What I have is the 15-inch shorty tinted, and it's about the perfect height for me. I'm 5'10", so the windshield sits right to my chin. And the wind that comes off of the windshield doesn't even shake my helmet. Moderate winds today, doing about 30 miles an hour on the streets. I know that windshields take away the look of the Ryker design, but the tinted one kind of goes with the theme. Yeah, I don't want to talk you to death on this video, but the windshield makes a whole lot difference in the riding experience. It's like a must-have, I think. If you're doing a lot of highway, you're using it every day, it just makes the ride more comfortable. So technically today I'm trying out my first vlog. I've been using different setups with the helmet, different types of mic setups, trying everything. Hopefully I can get some good sound. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a ride just a little bit with the windshield, but I'm going to use my face shield up for a little while. just to feel how much wind is coming off the windshield. I have to say, if I duck down, it's pretty good. So if you get a taller one and you want to ride without a face mask, yeah, it's good. I'm going like 30 miles an hour. I don't even hear anything coming off the windshield. Yeah, this is like 30. So yeah, I'm going to put some clips on the highway, tell you about how it is on the highway. $175, purchases off of eBay, probably installed it in about 20 minutes. Probably installed in 20 minutes. I got an install video out. That's pretty much it. Yeah, to me, it's worth it. I mean, if those don't mind the look with the windshield, I'd go for it.